so much to learn about. It'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi! And today we're at the Bellevue, Washington Fire Station. And today we're gonna learn about fire trucks, ambulances, and the fire station. Look at what it is. This is a big red fire truck. Whoa, come check it out. Ooh. Wow, look at all these gauges. Huh, so interesting. Hey, look! It's a compartment with a lot of cool things in it. All right, let's go look at the fire station. Come on. Whoa. All right, check out in here. So, it's really important for firefighters to stay nice and fit. Like over here, these weights. These are bicep curls, and they make your arms nice and strong. It's really important for firefighters to stay in shape because when they go in houses that are burning, they might need to carry someone down the stairs or up the stairs and then down the ladder. Oh, hey, look! Whoa, medicine balls. Yeah. Oh, I love exercising. Hey, some jump ropes. Have you ever jumped rope before? Check this out. See, every time I jump, the rope goes underneath my feet one time. And now, I'm gonna make it go, oh, I messed up. I'm gonna make it go under my feet 2 times every time. Twice. Woo, that's tiring. Being physically fit is really fun. All right, this is a treadmill. It's where you can walk and then be in one place. See? And you can also run. Whoa, here I go. Oh, it's getting faster and faster. Whoa. Now I just went really fast. All right, hit the tunes. That's fun. Oh, hey, pull-ups. Woo! Now, last but not least, the bench press. This is a great way to keep your upper body nice and fit. So then, like I said, firefighters can help people and they're nice and strong. Yeah! All right, now let me show you the rest of the fire station. Come on. Woo! Check this out. Whoa. So, not only do firefighters eat healthy and exercise at the fire stations, they also have to sleep because firefighters are here day and night. And just like you and I, firefighters need to sleep. And the reason why firefighters have a bed at the fire station is because they need to be really close to the fire trucks and ambulances, just in case if there's an emergency. So, nighty-night. Wait a second! No time for sleeping now. I want to show you an ambulance. Let's go! Woo! Look at what it is! It's a medic unit, also known as an ambulance. Let's go check it out. Come on. Let's look inside the cab. Now we're inside the ambulance. All right, let's shut the door. First things first, safety first. Let's put on our seatbelt. All right, here it is. All right, now we're ready. Whoa, what's this? It looks like a giant map. Whoa, you can use this so then you can see where you're gonna go. Right there. All right. Whoa, a computer? Whoa. This tells you where you're gonna go, like the address, the information, all about the call that you're doing. Oh, hey, look, a steering wheel. That was the horn. Hey, move! We're going to help some people! Whoa! Whoa! What are these? These are headsets. Listen!
Hello! It's Medic Flippy! Do you need help? Alright! We're gonna come help you!
That's awesome! Whoa! Check this out down here. The siren. Listen. Whoa! If you ever hear that and you're in a vehicle or on the sidewalk, get to the side because the ambulance is going to help someone. All right, and this right here turns on all of the lights. Go check them out. Whoa, the lights are so bright. Oh, check out this compartment. I wonder what's inside. Oh, hey. This right here is a heart rate monitor. And it gives all the medics the information about your heart. And this is a medical unit pack. Whoa, there's so many interesting things in here. Whoa, hey, like a stethoscope. Whoa, I could hear my heartbeat. Wow, that is so interesting. All right, let's lock this back up and go check out what else is around here. Ooh. Whoa, another compartment. This is where all the firefighter gear is. See? Here's some jackets. Oh, hey! And here's even a helmet that they wear when they go into areas with fires. Hey, do you know another time that you should wear a helmet? Yeah, when you ride a bicycle. All right. Oh, the back of the ambulance. Oh, get ready. Whoa, look at this. This is the stretcher. Watch out, here it comes. See this? This is what you might get a lay on sometime. And if you do, just be very calm. The people are trying to help you. All right, let's leave this right here. All right. Oh, let's go inside the back of the ambulance. Let's go. Oh, here we are. This is another entrance. Come on. Whoa! It's so bright and light in here. Wow, very interesting. Oh, hey, look at what it is. It's another stethoscope. Put it on my ears. Listen. Do you hear that? Yeah, that's my heart beating. I'm nice and healthy. All right. Put that right there. What else is around here? Oh, hey, look. Rubber gloves. I'll put one of these on. Oh. All right, these keep my hands nice and clean. when I'm working in the back of the ambulance. Hey, what color is this? Yeah, it's the color blue. Ooh. Oh, look at this. You. Do you see this? That's Mr. Yuck. If you ever see Mr. Yuck somewhere, do not eat it. Don't drink it, and we should probably stay away. Let's look in another cupboard. Hey, like this one. Wow, that's interesting. A lot of medications and things to help people if you're in trouble. Hey, just know, if you ever need to ride in an ambulance, be careful, be nice and calm, because the people in here are just trying to help you. Well, let's go have some more fun.
Whoa, what is that? That looks like a hospital on wheels.
It's an ambulance. It's an ambulance. It's an ambulance. It's an ambulance. It's a little hospital on wheels.
It's a vehicle that can transport people who are sick or hurt to the nearest hospital, with a medical team that rides around, always ready for people who need help now.
It's an ambulance. It's an ambulance. It's an ambulance. It's a little hospital on wheels. It's an ambulance. It's an ambulance. It's an ambulance. It's a little hospital on wheels. You can call it up in emergencies. The siren turns on and it races to the scene. Some are yellow and green, some red, white or blue, but they're all here to help me and you.
So many neat things in an ambulance, like oxygen tanks and first aid kits. There's a stretcher in the back the patient lays on. They've got bandages and medicine and a siren on top the door. When the siren turns on, all the cars move out of the way.
It's an ambulance. It's an ambulance. It's a little hospital on wheels. It's an ambulance. It's an ambulance. It's an ambulance. It's a little hospital on wheels.
And remember, boys and girls, only call an ambulance in a real emergency.
It's an ambulance. It's an ambulance. It's an ambulance. It's a little hospital on wheels.
All right, now let me show you one of my favorite parts. Come on. Ooh, yeah, this is the kitchen. And this is a fridge with a lot of food in it. Here's another one. Wow. Firefighters work really long days and nights, and so they have to have a kitchen so they can eat and stay nice and healthy. Oh, hey, look, here's some food. Ooh, this looks tasty. We have some salad, a potato, we even have some chips. Ooh, and a strawberry. Yum. So what we're doing now is we're just getting ready for a training exercise. Yeah, we're doing really good. What's that? Yeah, I see lights. I hear a siren. That must mean that there's a fire. We gotta go help some people. Let's go, come on. Oh, do you hear that? That's the sirens and the lights. We need to get all of our fire equipment on. Okay. First, our pants and the boots. We need to take off our shoes. One shoe. Two shoes. All right, I need to hurry. All right, there we go. Got my boots on. All right, here we go. Put on my pants. Nice and buckled. Put on my suspenders over my orange suspenders. All right, tighten that up. Oh, all right. Ooh, my jacket. Put this on. All of this will keep me safe when I'm at the fire. All right, here we go. We need to zip it up. Ooh, here's the zipper. Put it in there like that. There we go. Velcro. Okay, then we have the helmet. This will keep my head safe. Perfect. Tighten it up. And then last but not least, my 2 gloves. All right. Man, I got ready really quick because I don't know what's happening there. All right, let's go. Okay, we're gonna go to the fire. Let's go. Now that the hose is all hooked up and it's full of water, we can put out the fire. Oh, here we go. We're doing it! The fire's almost out! Woo-hoo-hoo! We just put out the fire! Good job! All right. Whoa, that was sure fun putting out that fire with you. Good job. All right, I have something else really cool to show you. First, I need to take off my helmet. Let's put that right up there. The next thing I have to do is put on a mask. This goes all around my head to keep my ear and my hair safe. All right. Woo, all right, check out my sweet hood. Yeah, this is the color black. All right, the next piece of equipment I'm gonna put on is this mask. This mask is gonna help protect my eyes and then be able to deliver clean oxygen so I can breathe in the smoke. Are you ready? Woo, look at me now. I have my mask on. Hey, if there's a firefighter trying to help you, they might look like this. But that's okay. They're not scary. They're just trying to help you. Okay, let me put on my helmet now. There we go. Now that it's nice and snug, I'm gonna put on the air tank. Woo! Yeah! Look, it's an air tank. This is what provides air to me. Just like... Whoa! See? Now I can breathe when I'm going through a burning house. Do you hear that? So what that is air coming from the tank, going through the tube into my mouth. So then smoke doesn't come inside. All right, let's go check out some more of the fire station. Woo! All right, now let me show you some of the parts of the fire truck. Whoa, look at this. This is a really big wheel and tire. Whoa, it's silver and black. Okay, let me show you inside the fire truck. Check it out. looks really neat in there. They look like they're ready to go to a fire. Oh, look at this. Whoa, there are so many gauges. Huh, interesting. There's so many, I don't even know what they're for. Ooh, look at in here. Whoa, one compartment. Another compartment. And this compartment has fire extinguishers. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. Good job. Come on. Interesting. More things. Like a little broom. It's nice and clean. Let's go to the back. Woo! Wait, where are you going? Come over here. Do you see those? There's so many different sizes of hoses. Oh, interesting. All right, what else do we have? Hey, here's a compartment. Whoa, look in there. Whee! This is a really big ladder. So then the firefighters can go up really high and save people off of roofs and windows. I'll lock it back up. There we go. Ooh, what's in here? Huh, hey! Yeah, a chainsaw! Wow, there's so much great equipment on a fire truck. Hey, another compartment. Hey, bolt cutters, an axe. Wow, even look, yeah, even a hammer. All right, I'll just set that right there. Whoa, look at this. This is where you connect the fire hydrant to the fire truck. And let me show you. Have you ever wondered what this thing is at a fire station? Yeah, this is what connects to the fire engine's exhaust. So then, no smoke from the fire truck goes inside. Yeah, all right, that was awesome. Woo! That was so much fun learning about fire engines, medic units, ambulances, and the life of a firefighter at the fire station. Hey, it's really important to know what number to call if there's an emergency. So be sure to ask a grown-up what number to call if there is an emergency, like a fire. Hey, it's also really important to have a working smoke detector and carbon monoxide detector. So then if there's ever a problem, it will chirp like this. Yeah, and then you can call the emergency number. So then you'll get some help. Well, this is the end of this video, but if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? B-L-I-P-P-I. Flippy, good job. See you soon, bye-bye.
So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout, Blippi!
Woo, look at what's behind me. This machine is called a forklift. And today, in this video, you and I are going to learn about forklifts. Now, let's learn the parts of a forklift. Come on. Whoa, look at that up there. That is the cab. That's where the operator of the forklift sits. Whoa, 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 whoa! Whoa, look at these. This is a wheel and tire, and this is a wheel and tire. This one is really big, and this one is really small. Whoa! Wow, look at this tall thing. This is called the mast. And this right here, this is called the carriage. Ooh, and these are the forks. Nom 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 nom. And these three things are what lift the pallet. Oh, hey, and look at what it is. This is the dance floor. I mean, the pallet. Let's go check the oil. Whoa! This is the engine of the forklift. Wow, there's so many cool things in here that provide the power for the forklift. I think we should check the oil together. Ooh. First, you take out the dipstick, and then you put it back in, and then you check the oil. Whoa, and it looks perfect. Now that is what I call ground line serviceability. All right, now it's time to operate the forklift. But first, safety first. We need to put on our safety equipment. I got my hard hat, and then I got my bright orange. Whoa, it's windy. It's like a cape. Okay, let's put it on. Zip it up. All right. Now all of our safety equipment's on. Now we can operate the forklift. Come on. All right, come here. Okay, we're inside the forklift now. And first, we need to put on our seatbelt. Oh, there we go, nice and tight. And this is the steering wheel of the forklift. Whoa, this turns the whole thing. This is the shifter knob, which makes it go forward and backward. And these knobs right here operate the mast, carriage, and forks. It makes it go up and down, tilt forward and backward, and then this makes it go left and right. Wow. All right, here we go. I'm gonna turn it on and drive away. Okay.
Hey, Flippy, can you help me out and move one of these pallets over to the warehouse?
Yeah, sure thing.
Thank you.
All right, whoa. All right, so did you hear that? So we have to pick one of these 4 pallets and move it to the warehouse. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, let's see what they have on them. Come here. Oh, this first pallet has 4 white buckets on it. This second pallet has 1 big blue barrel. This third pallet has 4 black tires. And this fourth pallet has a big bucket used on an excavator!
Hey, Flippy, who are you talking to? Get back to work.
Okay, did you hear that? We need to hurry and get back to work or else we're gonna get in trouble. Okay, how about, let's do the tires. Yeah, that seems like a good one.
Thank you very much, Blippi. Good job.
Thank you. Good job to you. That was so much fun learning about forklifts with you. Well, this is the end of this video, but if you would like to see more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Let's spell my name together. Ready? 1, 2, 3. B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi! Good job! See you again. Bye-bye!
So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey! Look at what I just rode up in. Yeah, it's a police car. And today, we are going to learn about police cars. Look at what it is! It's a police car! Will you come check out the parts of the police car with me? Yeah, come on! Ooh, look at this light bar up here. There's the red lights and the blue lights over there. And speaking of lights, whoa! Look at the spotlight. Whoa! 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 It's so bright. Whoa! Ooh! And the front of the police car has this push bar. This is used to help push vehicles off to the side of the road that are broken down. And then down here, this is a speaker.
Listen!
You there, clear the road.
Yeah! That was awesome! Ooh! And one of my favorite parts, the engine. This is where the car gets all of its power from. Woo! And the oil. Will you check it with me? Allergy season. Okay. Ooh, look. Yeah, the oil looks good to me. So let's put the dipstick back and let's shut the hood and let's head to the back. Ooh, and look down here. The wheels and the tires. Oh, and look right here. 2 words. The first word is Olympia. O-L-Y-M-P-I-A. And the second word is police. P-O-L-I-C-E. Olympia Police. And last but not least, the trunk. There's some cool stuff back here. Whoa! Road flares. Ooh, a speed gun. And some cones. Even some caution tape. I'll show you this stuff later. But for now, it's time to dance. Hey! Will you look inside the police vehicle with me? Yeah, come on. Whoa. Wow. Now we're inside the vehicle. Look at this. Look at the switch. Do you see it? I'm gonna push it all the way to the right. And those are the lights. Look. Whoa! Those are so bright! Okay, I'll turn them off now. Okay, I turn those off. And look at this. See? I just turned that on. That's the spotlight. Do you see it? Whoa! Okay, let's turn that off. And what else is in here? Whoa! The steering wheel! Whoa! And, ooh, the intercom. Hello, hello! I see you, it's Blippi! That's funny. And, oh, speaking of noise and sound, look at this. This right here, this button. Listen. Yeah, that's the siren. Ooh, and the computer. Yeah. Woohoo! That is so cool. It's the Blippi police car song. Okay, and I have some more fun stuff to show you over here. Come on, shut the door. Okay, come here. Look in here. This is the patrol bag. There's so many cool gadgets and goodies in here. Whoa, like binoculars. Whoa, I can see so far. Whoa, hey. Okay, put those down there. Ooh, stuffed rhino. Wow. Ooh, a camera. Ooh, flashlight. Hello? Hello? So you can see in the dark. Whoa. First aid kit. Ooh. And handcuffs. So cool. I like handcuffs. Okay, let's try it on. Put it on. Oh, now that you have handcuffs on, you can't get them off. But luckily, whoa, I have a set of handcuff keys. Put that right there. Do a little twisty. And then I got them off. It's like magic. Okay, let's put these back. Ooh, and last but not least, every police officer has to have a pair of sunglasses. Okay. Whoa. Now I'm a police officer. Okay, check out this. This is where you put the suspects. Whoa! The door doesn't even have a handle on it. And the seats are plastic and really uncomfortable. Whoa. Whoa. I don't like being back here. And no handles are like child safety locks, but for adults.
Hey, this is a speed measuring device. It uses a laser to bounce off a car and come back, and it'll tell me how fast someone's going. We're out here on a street corner looking for speeders. There's one now. Whoa, he's going way too fast. Let's go get him.
Well, hello there, officer.
Sir, I need to talk to you about your speeding.
Ooh, I'm sorry. What can I say? Heavy foot.
Well, I'll give you a warning for today, but we're
Okay.
just out here trying to keep everybody safe.
All right, thank you.
Speaking of that,
Ooh.
we're looking for this person. Have you happened to seen him?
Oh, nope. That gentleman looks like he's wearing glasses. I sure don't.
Oh, you're right. Well, let me give you this. Call us if you see him.
Okay.
Drive safe.
Thank you so much.
Bye.
Whoa, that was a close one. Hello. Hey, let's look at what's inside the back of the police car a little bit better. Ooh, look, we have a police officer's hat. And yeah, a safety vest. Oh, and it's bright yellow. Look at it. Wow. Okay. Nice bright yellow safety vest. How do I look? Okay. Oh, and I got my hat on. And oh, look. 4 orange road cones. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Ooh, and look, a road flare. Wow. Put that in my pocket. And road spikes. Okay. Set those down. Let's close the trunk. Okay. First things first. Ooh, road spikes. Take a close look at these. Wow! Look at that! Whoa, those are sharp. Okay, let's put this right there. Put this over here. Okay, ready? Watch this. Okay, we're gonna set up this traffic course for the police car. And the police car's gonna make sure it doesn't drive on these because these are really sharp. Okay, let's take the 4 road cones and put one right here. Come on. And let's put the second one right there. 1, 2. And let's put the third one right here. 1, 2, 3. And we got one more. Come on. Okay, how about right here? Ready? Yeah! 1, 2, 3, 4. I almost forgot my favorite part, the road flare. Whoa. Okay, this is not a toy. Not for kids, so here we go. Whoa. Okay, let's put it down right here. And let's start this course. Barely missed the spikes! Good job! That was so much fun learning about police vehicles! Now it's time for the police car song!
Police cars, police cars. Drive really fast through the town. And oh my goodness, their sirens are so loud. Can you see their red and blue lights? Letting everybody know to let them by. Police cars. Police cars. Yeah, they come in all shapes and sizes. There's a radio and a computer inside them. Some have a dog to help them sniff out crime. Sometimes you need the help of a canine. Police cars, police cars, police cars.
If you're ever in trouble,
Or if somebody's hurt,
or if there's an emergency,
you dial 911.
and the police will come.
Driving in there, yeah. Police cars, police cars, police cars, police cars, police cars.
That was really fun singing, dancing to the police car song with you. Hey, I have something really important to tell you. You are very special. You are an amazing child. I am so excited to see what great things you do on our planet by making it a better place and helping people out. Last but not least, thanks for being my friend. Thank you. Well, I gotta go now. But if you want to hang out with me some more, you know how to find me. Yeah, just search for my name. You know my name, right? Yeah, it's Blippi. B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi, that's my name. Good job. See you soon. Bye.
So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout.